Welcome back. So today I have a mall haul for you. So these are all the things that I got from West Edmonton Mall last time I was there. First we're going to talk about La Vie en Rose. So I really like this store more than I like La Senza or really Victoria's Secret. I prefer La Vie en Rose. First thing I'm going to show you is the cutest pair of shorts. Look, it has a little bear on the pocket and it's fuzzy. These were $11.99 and I've already wore them. They're super soft, like inside and out, and I really like them. They're great pajama pants, shorts. I got two bras, which are both on sale. One was $14.99, the other one was $24.99. Now this is the $14.99. It's just a, basic bra. It does have some cute little, like, lacy details and stuff. And then this is the one that was $24.99, and I'm still not, like, 100% sure whether I want to keep it, because it's kind of expensive for what it is. You know what I mean? It's just, you can almost get these at Walmart. The only thing is I don't think they have underwire at the ones that you can get at Walmart, but I don't know. I'm debating. I haven't fully decided because $24.99 is not that great of a sale. Next are just a bunch of underwear. So they had a sale. It was, what was it? 5 pairs for $18 and some cents. So like $20 for 5 pairs, which is a really good deal. So I got a bunch. I'm not really going to show them. It's not really what I need to do. Next I went to Blue Notes. Their sale was 2 for $15. So I just got 2 things for $15. And they are, what are these? These are, I can't think. Like leotards, like one pieces to wear under. This has a like bow neck, high bow neck, and this one is just your standard one. So 2 for $15. I thought that was a great deal. Then I went to Victoria's Secret. Bella really wanted to go in. And they had a sale. These were on 50% off, I think. No, $14 off of their retail prices. They were $8 each. I just got 2 roll-on perfumes. I got Victoria's Secret Tease Dreamer. It's this one. And Victoria's Secret Tease. I must like this line. Alright, this one is Black Vanilla, Frozen Pear, and Blooming Gardenia. And this one is Bronzed Coconut, Ocean Salt, and California Sun. I prefer this one over this one. I really thought I was going to like this one, but because of the vanilla, it's good, but it's not like amazing good, but I'll use them both. And last but not least, this is a really quick haul. I'm just kind of running through everything I got. We went to Morphe, which is a new store in West Edmonton Mall. Now, I was excited that Morphe was opening, but I had no idea that here in Canada, they were putting Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the Morphe store. I thought that was just a States thing. So, at Morphe, on one product, I spent $42, which seems about right. This is vegan, cruelty-free, you better glow bitch, long-lasting extreme beauty, the definition of highlight on fleek. Made in the US, and all that great stuff. So, Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Peach Goddess is what I picked up. I was so excited to see the display. So here it is. I was excited. I haven't even shown my kids this yet because they really love his stuff. But I'm so excited. Yay! just going to swatch just a tiny bit. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, wow. Oh. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Stunning. Sorry, cat scratches. Oh, it's so pretty. My very first Jeffree Star Cosmetics item, and I'm super, super stoked for it. I'm definitely gonna go back and check out some other things. They have some palettes there for $60 each, and I kind of really, really want them, but I'm gonna slow my roll and just wait. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.